Hello you guys and welcome back to my channel. I'm Jay with Jay's Budget Life, and in this video we're simply just going to be unstuffing my binders. So some of my categories, they've got a lot of those smaller bills that we're just going through and wanted to get rid of. So in this is actually going to be method number 2. The last time in the very first method, I ended up just going through and unstuffing my entire binders all at one time, and then I cycled back through and stuffed them back up to the amounts that they were supposed to have. So I'm actually just going to do it a little bit different this time. This time I'm going to go one by one and do it that way instead of cycling through the entire thing. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and get started. I'm not doing this in any particular binder order like I would typically do or try to do with my cash stuffing envelopes. So in loans, let's see what can be done. So we have 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, okay. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. So we can get rid of this. All right, so we can put in another 100, 50, 60, 70. So that can't be condensed anymore, but these fives can. I'm gonna take that out and put a 20 and 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm gonna actually sit this aside there. All right, so I'm just gonna go back in and double check behind myself. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 50, 75, 75. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 50, 75. So 775. All right, Christmas has a 1K slip, so there's nothing more that we can do to that. It's just a placeholder. Medical has 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 110. So 110. Vacation has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90. So those stay 20, 40, 60, 80, and 90. 50, 60, 70, 80, and 90. Back to school has 500 in it, so let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 50, 60, 70, 80, 95, 6, 7, 8, 9, and that 100 that I was just talking about. Don't ask me what this is on this bill. I don't even want to know. That's why I just sanitize after. Alright. Car. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. So 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. And these 10s would go here. Just to double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Emergency. That's a 1,000. That's a 1K slip. Can't do anything with that. 1, 2, 20, 40, 60, 83. 3, 50, 60, 70, 5. So we can do 20. Okay. So that'll be 3, 50, 60, 70, and 5, which is condensed. And that's just gift cards. So that one's complete. The J is missing. It's supposed to say Lady J. And that's me. This binder be tripping me out sometimes. Alright, so photos has 1, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So 20, 30, 40, 50. $160. All right, tech. 1, okay, 50, 70, 80, 90, 100. So $200. Credit card, gifts, 20. Family time, if I remember, had 29, I think. 10, 25, 6, 7, 8, and 9. 25, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Daycare was at 185, and just because I know that I just did a stuffing, a cash stuffing video, this is as condensed as it can be. This one I'm sure is not, and I think this one had like 500 something dollars, or either 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. $20, $30, $40, $50. And let me talk about my mama real quick. I just cannot let this slide, y'all. What is this, miss? So my baby, let me not scold her out. I gotta get her. So my baby writ this $5 bill, y'all. What is this? What is that? There was no effort. So when I showed her this bill, she started cracking up. And she had all right to be. She could have aligned the man's nose or something. But yeah, that was all my mom's doing. It's got to go because it's bothering me. So that's 20, 30, 40, and 50 that we just put there. So 20. Those 10s. You get in where you fit in. And then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, we can pick up one of those $2 bills back up. All right, so let's see what we have. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 50, 62. Is that right? Is that 503? 59, yeah, that's right. Yep, so 562. Plus 503 and 59, that's 912. Yeah, that's right. All right, so this puffy is condensed. It just feels so much better. Oh my gosh. All right, so I also know that mommy time cannot be condensed anymore. There's just 20 from when I did my cash stuffing. Let's see. Ooh, excuse me. Let's see. So my hair, I know for a fact, my hair is going to be $50. I'm getting a relaxer today. 20, 40, 50. And 30. So 50, 60, 70, and 80. And I'm starting over with Ariana's hair. I just needed a relaxer. I'm getting a relaxer just to get my hair done in a few weeks. So we can go ahead and I have to schedule our photo shoot and then get all of our hair done. My mom, Ariana, the whole 9. So I'll be planning that before the end of the month. Huh, Lord willing. because these days be going by so fast. Oh, okay. In Disney, I can't condense that anymore because we had just reached the cap in my cash stuffing. This one is also as condensed as it can be. Clothing, I think, has $50 or $60. 20, 40, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, and 60. So, oh, I didn't realize there was two. It says 60. I think I said 60. I think there was 60. If not, it'll pop up somewhere. Tax has 400 something. 1, 2, 3, 4. 20, 40, 50, 60. So that's 40. $460. All right, envelope definitely be condensed. I forgot how much is in this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100. $50, $60, $70, $71, $72, $73, $74, $75. So that's 50, 25, did I just really pick up a 20 and a 5 with 5 in my hand? Y'all ignore that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 50, 75, 76. So 876. Woohoo. And the total amount for that is $12.75. So, oh my God, we're so close. Tithing and giving cannot be condensed. Yeah, it can't be condensed any more than that. Rent cannot be condensed. Utilities is fine. I hope you guys enjoyed method number 2 of how to unstuff your envelopes. Thank you for tuning in with me. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.